The standard Quantifoil grids are coming in boxes like this. Most of the time you will see a sticker on, in this case, the front of the box. Sometimes you can also find it on the back side of the box, and that sticker will indicate what type of grids you're dealing with. So in this case it says Quantifoil R22, which means that there are 2 micron holes in the film that are 2 microns apart. You have different types of sizes of holes and different part of spacings of these holes. It also tells you the mesh. This is a 300 mesh CU, so it's copper grid. So the grids in this box are 300 mesh copper with a Quantifoil film that has 2 micron holes that are 2 microns apart. Now you have to be aware on which side of the grid the carbon film sits, because that's the side where you have to apply your water droplet. Most of the time Quantifoils have the film facing center, so the film is facing the letters in the center, meaning that all the grids that are on this side will have the carbon film on the side of the letters on this side, and all the grids that are in this area will have the carbon film on the opposite side, so basically on that side. The way to get these grids out of the box is there is a slit in the middle, an opening, and you can slide these boxes such that the opening will align with one of the rows of the box. So here you can now pick your grids from that row, and there's a grid in the upper one. And always try with your tweezers to come in very shallow and try to grab the grid on the edge as much as possible. So like so. We've now grabbed the grid at the far edge, and that allows us to actually keep the grid very flat. And the deeper you go with your tweezers on the grid, the more chances you will have that you will bend or break your grid. So it's very important that you practice grid handling, because the better you handle your grids, the flatter they are, and the better your samples will be. If you place them back, you can basically align them with the hole and then simply drop them in there. Then there are different manufacturers. This is Quantifoil. Then we also have blue boxes like these. So this is a box from Electron Microscopy Sciences. Agar uses these boxes as well. This box does not have a central slit to take the grids from. Here you simply need to push the grid box open, and you can then get your grids from this side. Also here, be aware where the carbon film is. Normally it's indicated on the box. Most of the time these blue boxes will have the carbon film on the top. And then there's more exotic boxes like these. So this is a box from Ted Pella, and this is a round box. Also here you will have openings, like you can see here, there and there, and you can then turn with this wheel, you can turn the opening to align with a row where you can get your grids from the specific slots. Also again, be aware where the carbon film is, because that's the side where you're going to apply your liquid to.